This is educational, not trading or investment advice, okay? This is entertainment, mainly educational. Future stocks, bond trading of any kind involves substantial risk. You may lose everything you have. Before trading or investments, do your own due diligence. This is not a recommendation to go out and trade with your money, okay? If you do so, you're on your own. If you're watching or listening to this video, you are agreeing to these terms. Okay, let's get to it. Welcome and thanks for stopping by. I'm Digital Micro. You're on the Digital Micro Trading Journal channel, day trading for an ROI payout. Here we are Thursday, January 18, 2024. News Catalyst, 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard. My daily affirmation, I see it and understand. Rigid discipline and rules. Flexible and outcome expectations. Independent thinker. Impeccable risk manager. Precision-based trader. Responsible business manager. On the left, the Nasdaq, you can see currently this Thursday candle bar is heading to the high of the previous day. On the ES middle chart, not so much. Halfway, that blue line there is the 9 EMA. And the King Dollar disproportionately not going down like the others are going up. So if there's an inverse relationship, it's certainly not proportional on this setting. Again, these are daily charts here, and yeah, it's down fractionally. But notice the body of the candle is at the low of the prior day. Right now I'm just holding until we get more time ingredient in this recipe, because that's the first deliverable on price action, is the appropriate time. So let's see the 8:30, and then we'll look at the next step at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard. Okay, let's go to the levels on the next chart here on the ES Mini. Next chart. S&P E-mini March futures contract 15-minute chart. So let's look at the levels. First of all, we've got New York midnight open down here at 47.65.75, which corresponds real close, maybe a tick away from the January 17th RTH open. So prior day RTH open way down here, 47.66. And here we are at 47.85, 50, maybe 20 handles above the RTH open prior day. We've got this big imbalance on the 4-hour fair value gap, and price is got escape velocity currently, and then there's another 15-minute fair value gap we've boosted up. And this red line is a big marker. That is the January 2 RTH open for the new year. Let's see by the time we're at 10 a.m. Eastern how far above we are. Above the 15-minute fair value gap, and then this 1226. So this is important. This is the 4800. We'll see if there's enough rocket fuel to get a boost up to this level. If not, we might be stymied up here at this fair value gap on the 15-minute. Those are the levels. London 47.71.75, and Asian low of 46.63.50. So good rally from the Asian lows and the New York midnight open, and it's all about, can we hold right now, and maybe this is just a relief rally. So that's all I've got. Short video. I'm gonna just take it as it comes. No predictions. Intercession, liquidity, and imbalances are what I'm looking for, and the most important ingredient, of course, is the appropriate time. Thanks so much to the OG subscribers, and I want to welcome the 2024 subscribers. Really appreciate your support. Take care. Aloha and bye.